Dear students, today we are going to discuss about it multiple allele. So till now we have discussed about it epistasis, complementary factor, lethal gene, and this Mendelian inheritance and all we have discussed about it. There it is involved two allele only. Here more than two allele which is involved here. So what is multiple allele? So a set of three or more allele of the same gene on the same gene on the homologous chromosome to control particular trait, it's called as multiple allele. A set of three or more allele of the same gene on the homologous chromosome to control particular traits or character is called as multiple allele. So allele are formed by the mutation of one gene. For example, multiple allele example, ABO blood groups, RH blood groups, nature of the wings in Drosophila. The study of multiple alleles may be done in a population, not in individuals. It's only multiple allele we can perform, we can study in populations. Multiple allele always situated in homologous chromosome at same locus. There is no crossing over between the member of multiple allele. Crossing over it not happens. Multiple allele influence the one or the same character only. One or the same character only. So multiple allele, a set of three or more allele of the same gene on the homologous chromosome to control the particular character, multiple allele. Due to mutation it happens. Multiple only we can perform in the populations. Multiple allele which is situated homologous chromosome on the same gene. So no crossing over it occurs. Now we have moved to this ABO blood groups. So this blood groups which is discovered by Landsteiner. So based on this, Landsteiner found in 4 types of human being depend on the presence and absence of the antigen in the blood. It follows simple Mendelian inheritance. ABO blood groups which follow simple Mendelian inheritance. Law of dominance, law of segregations, law of independent assortment. There are 4 types: A, B, AB and O. For example, already I said it. So the Landsteiner discovered the based on the presence and absence of antigen in the blood. So A group of person contain A antigen on the RBC. B group of person contain antigen B on the RBC. AB group person contain both antigen A and B on the RBC. O group persons contain no antigen on the RBC. So A group person has antigen A and antibody B. B group person has antigen B and antibody A. AB group person has antigen A and B but they don't have an antibody. O group person has no antigen but they have both antibody A and B. A cannot coexist with antibody in any man. B cannot coexist with antibody B. The synthesis of antigen A controlled by the dominant allele represented, because Landsteiner discovered it, LA. So antigen B synthesis controlled by the another dominant allele represented LB. The absence of antigen due to the presence of recessive allele represented by LO. The 3 allele response for inheritance of ABO blood groups, they are LA, LB and LO. Here LO is the recessive allele. It is a recessive is to both LA and LB. So LA and LB are dominant allele. They are co-dominants. Both genes express their character. None is masked. LA and LB or occur in the same men. The LA produce antigen and LB produce antigen B. So LA and LB and LO occur in the same locus of multiple allele. So here, so I want to tell it, okay, so because the O don't have antibody, so O don't have so O don't have a antigen, AB don't have an antibody. So among this, what we understand based on this tables, AB person is universal acceptor, O person is universal donor. The blood groups which is we have studied A, B, AB, O. Among this O blood groups person is universal donor, AB blood group person universal acceptor. So this is a chances to get blood groups if you A, B, O. So in A will get it A and B, A, B, say A and O. So B person A, B, A, B and B person B, B, chances B, O. So O person A, O, B, O, O, O will get as a blood groups. Next, what is the application when we understand this blood groups? It will help us in the blood transfusion. Transfer blood during the time of accident, any surgery. So that time we can transfer blood from one person to other person. Through that we can save lives. Okay, and we can identify the disputed parentage. Okay, the parentage of the disputed baby can be confirmed by the testing of the blood groups of the doubtful parents. And also the blood groups easily can identify this culprits which is confirmed by this blood stain available at the place. So next multiple factor is RH factor or else RH blood groups. This factor which is discovered by Landsteiner and Weiner in the year 1940. RH factor and RH blood group which is discovered by Landsteiner and Weiner in the year 1940. RH, it is a Rhesus antigen as it was discovered by Rhesus African monkey. So it is controlled the multiple allele located in the same locus of homologous chromosome. There are two groups of human being, one is RH positive and another one is RH negative. RH positive person contain antigen called RH antigen present on the surface of this RBC. Then RH negative person do not have or does not contain antigens. The RH antigen has no natural antibody. RH antigen has no natural antibody. RH antibody can produce artificially also. RH negative person develop RH antibody when receive blood from this RH positive person. Even a small amount of RH positive blood can evoke the production of RH antibody in the RH negative persons. The antibody once formed remain in the blood group throughout this life. It follows in the Mendelian principles. So RH blood groups, it is allelic non-allelic interactions and Mendelian inheritance, multiple allele. It can follow this Mendel principle like law of inheritance, like it is law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assessment. This RH blood groups which can follow two theory, one is Weiner theory and is Fischer theory. So what is application when we study this RH blood group? It is applicable in this erythroplastosis fetalis. RH positive father, RH negative father, so it will be cause erythroplastosis. Blood do not clot. So this RH factor which is used in the blood transfusion. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.